Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lin. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you very simple and delicious pumpkin pancakes. They are very good for breakfast or appetizers. And in Chinese, 南瓜饼. Let's take a look at the ingredients. So I have 1 piece of pumpkin. It's about 2 pounds. I'm going to use half of it. So at the Asian market, it's sold by a piece. I just got 1 piece. And this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So first we're going to just cut half of this. So just need this 1 piece. Save the other piece. And we'll get rid of the seeds and the pulp. Also get rid of the skin. Oh, it's very tough to get rid of the skin. Just be careful. Next, we're going to slice the pumpkin. Now we cut the pumpkin into thin slices like this. Now we'll place them on a plate. It's okay to stack them a little bit. Now we're ready to steam the pumpkin. The water is boiling. I'm going to place a plate. Cover it. Going to steam about 7 minutes or till they are soft. After about 7-8 minutes, the pumpkins should be ready now. Yeah, they're soft. And we're gonna take it out. So just make sure you discard the liquid. It's hot, just be careful. Now we add the pumpkins into the mixing bowl. I'm going to just mash into the paste. Now our pumpkin has been mashed. Now we're going to add flour. This is 1 cup. Let's just add half. Also the baking powder, about 2 teaspoons. Let's check on the consistency. Pretty good, right? It's a little wet. Add more flour. Might as well use all flour. 1 cup of flour. it's not flowing. Great. We are ready to pan fry. I'm heating up the pan to medium heat. Just add some oil, vegetable oil. Just brush it. Our pan's hot. Just add the mixture. It don't have to be perfect. Make one more. And let's flip to the other side. Press a little bit. Now they look like pancakes, right? And if you want to make it prettier, you can use a mold. So we're going to pan fry for a few minutes. Just flip every 1 minute. After about 4 to 5 minutes, this batch is ready. Let me take them out. Now we add more oil. I'm going to make the second batch. If you have roasted sesame seeds, you can add some. After about another 4 to 5 minutes, my second batch is ready. It smells good. Let's open one. Still soft inside, steaming. I'm ready to try. Let me give one piece to the cameraman. Here you go. Try it out. Cheers.
That's good.
It's good.
Love it.
What do you love about it?
It has good texture, good taste.
Yeah, I didn't even add sugar or salt. I just like the original taste. But if you guys make a savory, you can add salt, or if you want sweet, you can add the sugar. Also, I made the sweet potato pancakes a while ago, a couple years ago, right? Check out that recipe. I will leave the link in the description box. Also, if you guys didn't know before, I always listed the ingredients in the description box. Check it out. Really great for breakfast, lunch, appetizers, right? Delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.